How to operate 15 watts and 25 watts E27 lamp UVC sterilizer with socket. E27 UVC lamp sterilizer is made from anti-UV ABS material lamp cup, E27 aluminum lamp cup, and high-quality quartz tube. E27 UVC lamp sterilizer adopt common E27 base or socket which could connect to AC power directly. To turn it on, put the lamp in E27 socket. Plug in the E27 UVC lamp sterilizer and plug in the extension. Sterilizing your living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom will make your day comfortable and safe.